Hey everyone, okay, so it is the best skincare of 2019. So let's make a start, jumping right in with cleansers. So the best hot cloth cleanser ever, the best cleanser, Aurelia. Now the Aurelia hot cloth cleanser I have mentioned numerous times throughout the past sort of 18 months or so, because it gives the skin the cleanest, the softest looking skin after you've used it. It is incredible. You pop it on your skin, it takes off everything, all the day comes off. You then wet the muslin cloth in warm water and you can exfoliate, you can cleanse. It is the best cleanser, hands down, hot cloth, amazing. And also because Aurelia are so lovely, there is a discount code on the screen and of course in the description bar with links. Discount, lovely Aurelia, thank you so much. And truly the extraordinary cleanser. Now, if you like liquid cleansers, there are many to choose from, but let's talk about some that are amazing. Holly Frog, brand new product, brand new line. It's a higher end cleanser, absolutely, but it is so good, so good. So well worth a try. If it's within budget, it's an excellent cleanser. Dr. Sam is the loveliest person. So check out her range. This cleanser, it cleanses the skin. There's no bells, there's no whistles. It's not gonna change anything, but it is a cracking cleanser. We've got more products coming from her. More sort of budget-ish price. We've got the CeraVe cleanser. This is an excellent cleanser. Hydrating cleanser, the foaming cleanser. And this one I really love, the pre-cleanse by Dermalogica. I actually also love it because I think the packaging is just delicious. Really like it. Okay, so next up we've got the I've got an itch. The moisturizing category. So I don't quite know how to pronounce this. There it is. This is an excellent moisturizer for your body. It is incredible. Sometimes I use it on my face. Very good. Okay, remember Dr. Sam? Dr. Sam again, moisturizer time. This is the Flawless Moisturizer, very emollient. If you have dry skin or you're just looking for increased hydration, Dr. Sam has your back. Now, if you're in the US, check out Good Molecules by, well, Beautylish. Good Molecules. They are excellent brand. Now this is the silicone-free priming moisturizer. It is both a primer and a moisturizer. Incredibly reasonable priced, budget reasonable price, and works smashing. Good Molecules in the US, they are amazing. One of my all-time favorite, and this comes with bells and whistles, Drunk Elephant. This is the Protini. It is amazing. I've spoke about it ad nauseum. Excellent product. So next up, we're talking treatments. So let's make a start. 18 months ago when I mentioned Aurelia to you, I mentioned that the hot cloth cleanser, truly amazing. And there's also the probiotic concentrate, and it's this tiny little concentrate here. Now, when I started the video, back in a couple of years ago nearly now, I mentioned that I had pigmentation around this area of my forehead. The concentrate was the single most effective thing that helped to reduce that pigment. In fact, the pigment is gone. So I continue to use this. A little goes a very long way. You can actually use it by mixing it with your other moisturizers or oils, absolutely. Or you can use it neat for a more intense treatment. But it is the one product that I am the most consistent with because of pigmentation issues. I just like even toned skin, and this does wonders for that, and wrinkles and lines and yucky stuff that you don't want. Very good for that. Okay, so Dr. Sam, the Nightly. Now this is an incredible serum that I always think it's really aimed at those of you with troubled skin, blemished skin, niacinamide, azelaic acid. It is incredibly potent. You know me, I'm like, yeah, I don't believe that. Pump it in, slap it on my face, 6 nights in a row, face falls off. Very potent, very good. Build up with this, it is amazing. Now, this technically isn't a treatment, so to speak, but I like to think of it as, and this is Aurelia, and this is the CBD, and this is the Super Serum. So it's a serum rather than a treatment, but I like to use it as a treatment. So I always think your skin can be too oily, it can be too dry, it can be over moisturized, but it can never be too hydrated. And this is your ultimate in hydration. If you want plumper skin, hydrated skin, if you are looking to reduce the appearance of anything on the face that needs plumping up, this would be the serum. The CBD serum is amazing. Now, I like to use it at night. I like to use all my skincare at night, nothing in the day other than sunscreen. And this is brilliant. I will often combine this with the little concentrate that I mentioned as well, but give it a go. If you've never tried the CBD oil, give it a go, because you will see that hydration levels beyond belief. In fact, the Aurelia line is known for increased hydration, which is, I think, what it's best known for. Even though it's got these amazing probiotic ingredients within most of the line, there is something about the hydration that brand does which no other brand can touch. So if you are looking for budget products that are in the kind of this same sort of category of targeted treatments, then you could do a lot worse than Inky. Now the Inky list do amazing products, they really do. Much, much better than the ordinary, because these have more ingredients for practically the same price. You're not just getting a sort of one whistle ingredient, you get much more in these. The two that I really like are the C50 Blemish Night Treatment Mask, and of course the Ceramide Night Treatment. That is amazing as well. So if you're looking to remortgage your house because of your skincare needs, then you could do a lot worse than this, which is by Ven, and it is the Age Reversing All-in-One Concentrate. It is amazing. It costs an arm and a leg, and then another arm and another leg, but it is brilliant. Also very high end here, but beautiful, oh, truly so good. This is Decree, and this is Treat Tincture, AM and PM. No, this is PM. PM, silly boy. Absolutely marvelous. You should check it out if you haven't heard of them before. Drunk Elephant, if you are liking your vitamin C. I hate using vitamin C, but this, no problems with blackheads. Another oil that's really good. This is vitamin C again, no problems. This is the C Serum by Dermalogica. Absolutely spot on. And finally, to finish up with, we'll do exfoliants and some sunscreen. So let's do exfoliants. Paulas Choice, obviously, just 2%, brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Alpha H Beauty Sleep Power Peel, marvelous. Oh, where's the other one? I just left it. Oh, the Baby Facial by Drunk Elephant. Amazing, 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 amazing. And if you ever get to meet Tiffany from Drunk Elephant, she's exactly as she appears on screen. She is the kindest, loveliest person. Dermalogica, this is Daily Microfoliant. I bought this 20 years ago, and I still buy it now. Amazing. Dr. Dennis Gross, this is the Alpha Beta Extra Strength Peels. Come in a little box. Look a bit, well, they look like that really. Little pads, just think they're extraordinary. Sunscreen, Drunk Elephant, I love it. I really like the tinted one, especially if I'm using a little bit of a fake tan. That works brilliant. Dr. Sam's Daily Sunscreen, more on the emollient side, so those of you with drier skin are really gonna benefit from this. And she even tells you how much you need to use, which is spot on. And this has nothing to do with sunscreen or anything, but I want to mention it because I mention it every year and it still deserves mentioning, which is the Clinical Anti-Aging Eye Serum for dark circles and age spots. It's the Brighten type. So this Science Serums, is it Science Serum? Yeah, it is Science Serum. I got it right without even having to look, because I've used it for so bloody long. You prep the skin with this. I like to prep skin with this prior to makeup, and because it gives you a temporary fix. It tightens things up temporarily, but with continuous use, you do see more long-term results, but it really is a temporary fix. So use it every day, you've got a temporary fix daily. And they do this for the eye, for the face, for the neck. They're an incredible range and well worth mentioning and well worth checking out, because I check them out and I mention them every single year. And I'm not sponsored for any of these products I've mentioned here, nothing at all. I love what I love, and these are the products that I love. And that, my friends, is the best skincare of 2019. See you next time, bye-bye.